If your food tastes good but feels boring, it's probably missing texture. Today I want to show you how texture changes everything. If you're looking to cook better food without overcomplicating things, you're in the right place. This isn't about fancy ingredients or restaurant tricks. It's about understanding technique. Because when you understand why something works, you can cook anything. Every great dish has contrast. If everything feels the same in your mouth, it doesn't matter how good it tastes. I'm using a simple poke bowl because it makes textures obvious. Soft, tender, creamy, fresh, crunchy, spicy. It's easy to see the contrast. But this isn't about poke. This is something you use in every single dish you cook. Because when food doesn't have texture, it feels flat. And flat food gets boring fast. We'll start with the rice. I'm using sushi style rice here. Short grain, slightly sticky. It has a better texture for this kind of dish. When it steams, it's soft, but it still has structure. That matters, because this is the foundation. If the base feels right, everything else builds off of it. Next is the salmon. Tender pieces, lightly coated in a spicy sriracha aioli. That creaminess carries the heat without overwhelming the fish. Now we start adding more texture. White sesame seeds, tiny but important. They add a subtle crunch and a little nuttiness in the background. Then sliced avocado, soft, buttery, structured. It adds richness again, but in a completely different way than the aioli. Then thinly sliced green onions. We'll add some furikake as well. Then we'll add some fried garlic that we made earlier. And then we'll add some seaweed salad. If you're not familiar with furikake, it's a Japanese seasoning blend, usually built around dried seaweed, with sesame seeds and other savory elements mixed in. It adds texture and umami all at once. Now the bowl isn't just soft and spicy, it's layered. Creamy, crunchy, fresh, savory, and every bite feels a little different. There are three simple rules I use every time I cook. Rule number one, add crunch. If everything on the plate is soft, it blends together. A little resistance, nuts, seeds, crispy onions, that's what wakes the bite up. Rule number two, add freshness. Rich food needs lift. Something bright, something crisp. Herbs, green onions, a squeeze of citrus. Freshness keeps a dish from feeling heavy. Rule number three, add flavor contrast. Not everything should taste the same. Heat against cool, creamy against sharp, fat against acid. Contrast makes food interesting. When you combine those three, crunch, freshness, and contrast, every bite feels intentional. And that's what keeps people coming back for another one. If you enjoy videos like this, focused on simple techniques that make your food better, make sure you subscribe and come gather at our table.